Oh yeah, get right in there, hey. Today's vlog is going to be the best little beer fest in Texas. Of course, I gotta start the vlog off with a few sips of my Lucky Jack. I think if I drink Lucky Jack as much as Cody rides his boosted board, maybe I can get sponsored, I don't know. Cheers, guys.
Strawberry lips burning on my skin, craving for you. I tell myself that the bubblegum wrapper is the sin. A tongue so sweet.
Something about the way you move makes me wanna feel your groove. Something about the way you dress, baby, got me feeling like a mess, baby.
So I am here actually with Daner. He is actually the organizer of the event. Daner, what's going on, man?
We're having a great time. We just finished up our professional brewing competition award ceremony, as well as the Brewdies Beer Packaging Awards. This is the best little brew fest in Texas. We're in our 6th year. We have a great crowd here today, 75 breweries.
How long have you been doing the best little brew fest in Texas?
Since 2012. We started forming the concept. In 2013, we had our first festival at Texas Motor Speedway. We had about 1,200 people there, and since then we've grown from about 2,000 to 2,500 people.
Wow, wow. Well, I mean, I think you have almost every brewing company out here in the North Texas area, including, in addition to some that are regional too, right? From Austin and...
Oh, they come from all over, San Antonio, Austin, Houston.
Even the big guy, Sam Adams, is out here, I saw.
Yeah, we have Sam Adams, Shiner. We like to have something for everybody. There's some good transition beers out there, and they see a brand that they recognize. It really helps them, you know, feel more at home, and then they'll try other stuff.
So, to check this out. So here's a story. We're at a mutual friend's house, and I said, hey, there's this like brewing company gonna open up next door to my restaurant. I'm so excited about it. Something about Bankhead Brewing Company. Kevin's gonna open it up. And who am I talking to about this? You.
Yeah.
You're like, yeah, that's me actually. Yeah. I was like, yeah, Kevin teamed up with a brewer named Ryan, some guy named Ryan.
Yeah.
Some award-winning home brewer.
Everyone knew but you.
I didn't know.
And I think Evan
I was talking to you.
Evan was behind you going,
oh my God.
Yeah.
I got so red because I was like, you're like, yeah, that's actually me if we're opening up this restaurant. The head brewer, Bankhead Brewing Company, this guy right here, Ryan, he actually eats at Opa, I don't know, almost once a week, every Monday on a brew day, right?
Yeah,
man.
I saw by.
And I think at Taverna and Bankhead Brewing Company, we share a lot. We have a lot of cross-pollination, a lot of the same customers.
Definitely.
Anytime I go into Bankhead, I know everybody that's there eating is like, hey, Kostas, what's going on? So and I think it's vice versa. So I think what it really stems to is the fact that we actually put a lot of passion and effort into what we do.
And people recognize it. Especially on the community level, they recognize it. When they come in and see you and they know that you know their name.
Yeah, and it's just that little extra that we put into, just like you put that little extra into the beer, and it shows. And you know, what we do in our food here at Opa as well. We're actually out here about 100 miles away from our restaurant, and ironically, it's just two Rowlettians killing it out here, taking some gold medals, and I think we probably had the best food of the day too. The best beer, the best food. Daner and his group put on a fantastic show and a great festival. An honor to be part of this experience.
Cheers.
Cheers. What's going on, guys? We are here at the best little brew fest in Texas, and we are visiting the Red Gap Brewing Company. That's right. My favorite brewing company, Rabbit Hole Brewing Company. Guys, Kostas, Lazanas here. I'm here with Johnny. with Panther Island Brewing Company.
Brought an American porter called Big Damn Porter.
Wait, right there. I love a good porter. So this is Sweet Thing. It's
Brown ale, yes. Rapture Brown Ale.
wow. That is fantastic.
Yeah, we like your
Wow. Wow.
Best Little Brewfest in Texas is at blbfit.com and also on Facebook.
All right, cool. Well, hey, we'll make sure you guys check them out. I'm gonna leave a link to the festival page in the comment section below. So click on that, check them out. The best Brewfest in
Best
Texas.
Little Brewfest.
I don't know about little anymore. You might have to change the name here soon, Dana. I don't know,
I
man.
know. I just wish Dolly Parton were here
Yeah.
with Burt Reynolds. That would make it just amazing.
Is that what? That's next year, maybe.
Next year, yeah.
Hey guys, this is really just such an awesome event. We've been doing it for 4 years now. Just so many great people out here that just enjoy really nice craft beers, and we always get a lot of love at our booth, Old Boogery Taverna. So thank you so much for stopping by the booth and grabbing a sandwich, grabbing some feta fries, having a great time. Everybody's having a great time out here, as you see over here. So that's what it's all about, just having a great time, eating great food, drinking great beer, the camaraderie, the relationships that are built out here, and just everything in between. So thank you so much. And we will see you guys in the next vlog.